right, this is number 11 from the Simplifying Roots worksheet. We are going to take a look at what to do when we have an index and when we have coefficients on the outside. So, if you take a look at number 11, we have negative 8 times the 7th root of 1,024. All right, now we are used to finding the square root of a number, and we find groups of 2. When we have an index, in this case we have the 7, that's going to be how many we need in each group of factors. Okay, so we are going to take 1,024 and we're going to break it up. One way to get our prime factorization is to use this method here. As you divide by 2, you will find that we ended up finding 2 to the 10th, or 10 2's over here. So we are now going to take, since we're looking for the 7th root, we're going to find a group of 7. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have one group of 7 factors of 2. We now take that and we can 7th root it, and we end up with just 1, 2 on the outside for that. Now, what messes some people up is we already have a coefficient. That negative 8 stays out there and it's being multiplied. All right, and now we have the 7th root. We need our leftover to go on the inside. We have 2 times 2 times 2. So we're going to write 2 times 2 times 2. That ends up being 8. So on the inside, we have the 7th root of 8. Our radicand is 8. Our coefficient is 2 times negative 8, so that's negative 16. So our answer in this case is negative 16 times the 7th root